The entertainment and creative industries are mourning the loss of 3 people who died in a fiery crash in Trelawny last evening. The victims died in a two-way vehicular crash on the North Coast Highway. As you'll hear in this report from Jamaica Maitland, tourists were also injured in the crash.
Popular YouTuber Lexi Williams, who goes by Lexi the Best, her partner Kenroy Smith, and up-and-coming entertainer Chrisandrew Codner, otherwise called Free Speech, all died in a car crash Friday evening. It happened sometime after 6:30 p.m. along the North Coast Highway near Spring Hill in Trelawny. TVJ News understands that the couple was heading home for an event at the Rio Buena Square when things took an ugly turn. The YouTuber and her partner were traveling in a Toyota Mark X, while the entertainer was driving a Voxy carrying tourists when the vehicles collided.
A Toyota Mark X was traveling from Falmouth towards Rio Buena, whilst the Toyota Voxy was traveling from Rio Buena towards Falmouth when both vehicles collided. So as a result of the collision, 3 persons died and several other persons are injured and are being treated at the Falmouth Hospital.
The crash resulted in bumper-to-bumper traffic in the area and had motorists shaking their head in disbelief. The crumpled Mark X and written-off Voxy are evidence of the impact of the collision. And as news of the accident spread, so did the tributes on social media. Lexi Williams, whose comedic journey skyrocketed during the pandemic, amassed a following of over 141,000 on Instagram.
So when you don't wash your head, you don't understand why you have to wash your head so late. You have to wash your head for you. Eh?
Meanwhile, Free Speech, who was a DJ and a tour guide, posted his last photo on his page just hours before he died. His song Isolation, written about the pandemic and in anticipation of the relaxation of COVID-19 measures, has been trending.
Remember when we outside? Remember when we outside? We used to party for the whole night. Remember when we outside? Remember when we outside? No a curfew on the road.
The police have described the accident as a tragedy and are urging the public to be vigilant on the road. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.